Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit the notifications panel shortcuts on your Vivo phones. So if you guys are tired of having irrelevant shortcuts cluttering your notifications panel or the quick settings, here the Vivo ones allow you to easily customize, rearrange, and also add or remove the icons that matter most to you. Now let's just see the notification panel. You can just scroll down like this on your home page, and here are my notifications panel. So to edit, to access the editing mode, here you can just click on this edit button or like this pencil icon at the top. Tap on that, and here you can just easily rearrange the icons by drag and drop the icons. So for example, I'm going to remove the extra dim shortcut. So I'm going to just drag this to the bottom to remove it, just like so. And if you want to add another shortcut, you can just find the shortcut that you want, and then you can just drag it to the top, just like this, and it will automatically add it. And if you want to readjust the position, you can also do the drag and drop. For example, I'm going to move the hotspot in here, just like this. So it will automatically be saved, so you can just go back and the changes will automatically save, and the notifications panel now has been updated. So guys, that's how you can edit the notifications panel on Vivo phones. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.